In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Figma file. Renaming files in Figma is quick and helps keep your workspace organized, especially when you're sharing projects with teammates. You have two simple ways to do it, and the best option depends on where you are in the app, either on the home screen, where you see all your files, or inside the file you're actively working on. Don't worry. Changing the name won't affect your designs or break existing share links. It simply updates the label that you and your collaborators see. Let's start from the home screen, also called the file browser. Open Figma so you can see your files. Find the file you want to update, then right-click it to open the context menu. Click Rename. A text field appears where you can type the new title. Enter the name that makes the most sense for you and your team, then press Enter to save it. If you don't see the rename option, or the name doesn't become editable, it usually means you don't have edit access for that file. In that case, you'll need permission from the owner or team with editing rights before you can change the title. Remember, file names don't need to be unique across your workspace, but keeping names descriptive, like including the project name, version, or date, will make files easier to find later. Now, if you're already inside a file, you can rename it without leaving your canvas. Look to the left sidebar and find the file's name at the very top, just above the Layers panel. Click directly on that name and it will become editable. Type your new name, then either press Enter or click outside the field to apply it. The change saves automatically, and anyone currently viewing the file will see the updated title in real time. This is a smooth way to stay in your flow without jumping back to the home screen. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. You must have edit access to rename team files. View-only access won't allow name changes. While Figma doesn't require unique names, consistency really pays off. Consider short, clear titles that reflect purpose, status, or version, enough to be meaningful at a glance. And as a best practice, avoid putting any sensitive details in file names. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat the same steps to update the name again. That's all it takes to keep your Figma workspace tidy and understandable for everyone.